African American males are derailed in their educational attainment by being placed in remedial courses or not being seen as worthy to excel if they are challenged enough in academic rigorous courses. My freshman year, Lincoln Consolidated Schools in Ypsilanti, I remember my teacher, because I was placed into remedial courses, and she takes me to the principal's office. I'm thinking I'm in trouble. That's just the nature of my experience. And she brings out the principal and she tells the principal, I don't think this kid needs to be in my course. But she said to me, there's potential in your academic success. I've taken you out of these courses because I see that you have an opportunity to excel. You're just not being challenged. That teacher saw me. They saw the potential in me. But since that moment, my sophomore year, transitioning into those classes, I think that filled a fire in me to just meet academic excellence and what that meant for me. Transitioning to college, I think like normal college students going from high school to college, there's this angst and about, can I do this? Am I going to be successful here? I had the opportunity to take on student conduct work with Dr. Marie Rabideau. My own lived experience and the people who made an impact on me and turning around my behavior, I seen myself doing that in the work with Dr. Rabideau. I was all in. Restorative justice practices, behavior intervention, equity and policy, how do we address students where they are, personally and academically. Those things just hit me as I start to more understand the impact of my work and seeing students make that change behaviorally so they can be a successful college student. And those students need a champion when they hit a roadblock or they experience something that is either outside of their character, not normal in their own behavior, but who can be there to say, it's a bump in the road. I've been there, I lived that experience, here's how I can help you through that. And I think it is reflective of what SVSU produces, from having a rigor academic experience, but then also providing that sense of community engagement, involvement that are buzzwords in higher education, but really putting that into practice.